In today's video, I am going to teach you how to present PowerPoint in Teams. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Teams on the web. Once you are on the Teams site, sign in if you need to, and enter the meeting where you want to present. You can do this by joining a scheduled meeting, opening a meeting link, or selecting the meeting from your calendar. The key is to be fully inside the meeting space, where you can see the meeting controls, before you try to share anything. After you have joined the meeting, take a moment to confirm that everything is ready. Make sure you can see the call toolbar, usually near the bottom of the meeting window. This is where you will find the sharing controls. It also helps to have your PowerPoint file open and ready on your computer ahead of time, so you are not searching for it while others are waiting. If you plan to present with animations or embedded video, closing extra apps can help your system run more smoothly during the presentation. Now, look for the sharing option that lets you start presenting. In Teams, you will select the control that says choose what you want to share. Go ahead and click that. When you click it, Teams opens a sharing panel that lets you pick the source you want to present. This is where you decide what meeting participants will see. You may see options like sharing a screen, a window, or a PowerPoint, depending on your setup and the version of Teams you are using. At this point, focus on selecting the PowerPoint you want to present from the available share options. Once you choose it, Teams will begin presenting it to everyone in the meeting. Speak at a steady pace and give the slides a moment to load as you move through them. If you notice any lag, pausing briefly between slide changes can improve the experience for your audience. When you are finished presenting, you can stop sharing from the meeting controls, returning everyone to the normal meeting view. That covers everything you need to know.